Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add public story on Snapchat. So if you want to add your Snapchat story and make it public instead of creating a private story, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you find this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to add public story on Snapchat, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Snapchat application. Go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right. On your Snapchat profile page, scroll down, locate and click on Add to my story public. So this includes friends, followers, and everyone on Snapchat. Click on that. Then go ahead and select the Snapchat story you want to set to public. Click on camera rules. Click on recent to select what you want to send to public. So in this case, let's say what I want to send to public is this. Then you should say my story is set to public. You can just click on that and describe the story. So just say Snapchat public story, or write whatever you want to write here. So I'm just going to say Snapchat public story. Then again, you can also send this story to your friends directly by checking their name here. Now come back to where you say my story public, click on the send button, and it should say sent, and now the story is going to be finishing up on your profile. If you click on it, it's going to set to public. You see that? You can also add multiple public story to your Snapchat page, and then you're good. So that is exactly how to add Snapchat public stories. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.